Interpretab is a Chrome extension that interprets whatever a tab is playing, a video, a webinar, the remote side of a Meet call, into your language, spoken out loud and subtitled on the page. For example, if you are watching a video spoken in a language you don't read,
それでデータベースとアプリケーションサーバー、あとはウェブサーバー。
you can just open Interpretab and turn on tab audio. Choose the target language and press Start.
作り方してましたけども、そういった物理マシンを使って、
I was saying it like that, but using physical machines and putting multiple applications or customer services on them, the problem is the isolation issue, right?
点と CPU 使っちゃって暴走しちゃったとなると、他のプログラム動かなくなっちゃうんですね。
用完了就暴走了，这样的话，其他程序就运行不了了。所以在2000年代就变得非常重要，出现了一项技术 ——微虚机，也就
Interpretab also has a microphone mode, which uses your laptop's microphone to interpret as you speak.
例えば今私は日本語で喋ってますけれども、これは自動的に英語の字幕で表示。
And it has a two-way conversation mode. Name the two languages, and each side is interpreted into the other automatically.
For example, if you are talking in English, that will be translated to Japanese.
例えば、英語で話していれば、それは日本語に翻訳されます。
私が日本語で喋れば、それは英語に翻訳されます。
If we speak in Japanese, that will be translated into English.
Getting started takes no sign-up and no registration. All you need is a Gemini API key. At what the Gemini model behind it costs today, a typical session runs about 4 to 5 cents a minute. Interested? Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Interpretab, and add it to Chrome.